Hey guys, it's David here from the Collectables channel. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, big warm welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back, and I really appreciate your support. I hope everyone's having a nice Christmas. I had a nice one, and I'm getting cracking straight back into the videos because I got work again on Sunday, so I've got to do as much as I can before I go back to work. Okay, today we're going to have a look what I got in the mail this week. Okay, I cleared my post office box yesterday, and I got a bit in. Okay, we'll get cracking straight into it. Okay, first one here. Hope you all had a nice one, and Santa was nice to you this year. But the most important thing, just stay safe and don't drink too much if you're driving. Okay, just about open. Most of this is numismatic coins. Okay, what do we got here? We got this is the anniversary of independence, 50 cents, 10th anniversary. And there it is there, Fiji, 1970 to 1980. Put that one over there. Okay, this one came from Lithuania. Put all those here. Okay, this is a coloured coin, 2018, and look at a beautiful coin. Let's have a look on the back there. National Bank of the. I got this from Lithuania, but this is a Ukraine coin. There's all the details over there. German silver, which means it isn't silver. Okay, that's that coin there. Oh, what's this one here? I forgot to get my gloves out. It doesn't matter, I'll be careful with this. Hold it on the edges. Okay, this is a coloured coin. Un quattro di Balboa. Okay, that's a lovely looking coin. That's the other side. This is from Panama, 2016. Look at that. Hope you can see that nicely. Let's have a look at the coloured side. It's a boat or a ship. Nice colours on it. Okay, put that over there. Okay, next one. Oh. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, this is a Gibraltar crown from 1971. This is I think the Barbary ape. I think that's what it's called. 1971. This is a low mintage coin. Have a look at that. Very nice. Okay, next one. Okay, this is the running of the Melbourne Cup 50-cent special uncirculated coin, carded. The 150th running. Look at the details on that coin. I always have a bet in the Melbourne Cup, but my horse is still running. Okay, that's the details of it there. I'll put that one there. Next one. Okay, I've got this one here. It's a set of 5 United Kingdom crowns. I picked this up really cheap for 10 bucks. It's $8 for postage. So $18 all up, $10 for the coins. And I could have actually made an offer on it because I was asking $10 or make an offer. So I was a bit embarrassed to make an offer because this is already cheap as it was, because most of these were selling for around $45 on eBay. So I don't know why it was so cheap. Here's the 5 crowns from 1965 to 1981. It's a very good bargain. Okay, I'll put that one there. Okay, this one here, once I get it out, I have to destroy the Christmas card that came in. So I'll leave it on like this. I got this lot for 10 bucks. There's 2 firefighter coins. They're $2 ones. And 2 donation dollars. All uncirculated. 10 bucks including post, which I thought was a bargain. So I'll leave that like that. Okay, next one. As you see, I've pre-opened all the packages to save a bit of time. Okay, this is a low mintage 50-cent Endeavour coin from New Zealand. 680,000 minted, $40, but I paid $32 because I made an offer of $32 and they accepted it. That included pre-postage. Okay, that's it there. Let's have a look. That looks like the Endeavour. Hope that's coming out okay. Oh yes, the Endeavour, it says it there. Okay. Next one. Okay, what's this one here? It's the 14th Commonwealth Games in Auckland. There's the back there in details. I won't take it out the thing because it's sealed, but it's just, I'm pretty sure it's the Queen Elizabeth II on the back. There's a swimmer on there. There's a nice pickup. The next one. Okay, there's another Melbourne Cup one. So I got 2 because I put an offer in for 2 different places, and they both were accepted. So I got these both at a reduced price. So no harm in having two. You use one for a trade or something, or a gift. Okay, we're not the stock markets. Okay, this is a lot of three. Okay, I've got another one of the Fijian independence 10th anniversary, because I put offers on for both of these and make best offer, and they were both accepted, so I bought two of those as well. I've got Isle of Man crown 1970 uncirculated. Look at that. Is it a bobcat, is it? It's the queen on the back there. And this one here's from Guernsey, 25 pence uncirculated. That's the queen on the back there. So look at another look there. Okay, that's that, all done. And then I got this one here. It's the invoice. Okay. I bought another stack of the coin hunts with all different letters. Some are duplicated. I've got to be using these as future giveaways. And I've got three of the carded Australian firefighters, three carded ones. So I got them as well. So three of those, and I don't know, I can't remember how many of these, probably 20 odd of those. So that's what I got in the mail this week. Let's have a quick look at that. The firefighters. It's just a standard coin, not the C mint mark. Okay, so I've got all these from the Royal Australian Mint. Okay, that's what I got in this week. I hope you found that a little bit of interest. And if you can subscribe to the channel, that'll put a smile on my face for Christmas. And hit the like button, thumbs up, and drop your comments down below. Tell me which one you thought was the nicest coin. Which one? My favourite was probably the, I really like this Isle of Man crown. I think it looks really cool. Okay, until my next video, enjoy the rest of your Christmas, and if I don't have contact with anyone between now and New Year, all the best for New Year. Stay safe, have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye. Ciao.